Hi, I'm Stephanie Fox, and I'll be answering question number 2. Oh, let me scroll to figure 1 here. Okay, so question 2 is right here. I need to, looking at figure 1, identify the x-axis and the y-axis, and what is the time frame for the x-axis and the variables in the graph. So this is a graph based, made with data from a study about home healthcare visits and patients with diagnosed with heart failure. These patients rated their home health visits with for how effective they were at helping them learn things and how effective they were at being compliant with their treatments, and how well they were able to understand and learn about their medications, as well as how their symptoms were. So over here on the y-axis right here is the mean or the average score that they gave for during their visits. And so the x-axis right here on the bottom is the home visits, and these were this distance between here is about 6 months. So if you look over here, home visit number 1, their scores were between 1.5 and 3 for overall what they like. So it's the mean, so it's the average. Some might have gotten a little bit more information out of it than others, but that's just the average of what they got. And their next home visit, they understood a little bit more information right here, and it's kind of an upward trend. They were able to understand more information about their treatment and about their medications and their condition and disease. And they were also more compliant and following through with their regimens better. And that is what this figure 1 is all about.